Are you ready to pay over 300% more for your Canva subscription? We'll cover the major changes that could impact your design budget as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new opportunity technology news. For those unfamiliar, Canva is an online design platform that's become incredibly popular for its simplicity and affordability. Originally launched as a user-friendly alternative to complex design software like Adobe, Canva offers an easy drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible to those without formal design training. But starting next year, Canva Teams users can expect subscription costs to skyrocket by over 300%. In the US, some users are seeing their annual fees jump from $120 to $500 for up to 5 users. Even with a 40% discount for the first year, you're still looking at $300, a huge leap from the original price. These changes are especially painful for those locked into older, cheaper plans, as Canva now is migrating existing users to the new, much higher pricing model. So why the drastic hike? According to Canva, the increase is due to their expanded product experience, fueled by new generative AI features like text-to-image generation and background fill tools. Canva claims that these features have transformed it from a simple design tool into a more advanced workspace. That said, Canva's appeal has always been its simplicity and affordability. It's been a go-to alternative to pricier graphic design software like Adobe. But with this price surge, many users are questioning whether it still holds that value. Interestingly, this price change wasn't widely announced. Instead, it seems Canva communicated these increases mainly through emails to existing customers, catching many of those users off guard. Nevertheless, outraged customers have flooded social media, making their sentiment on the price hike known. For businesses relying on Canva Teams, especially those with legacy pricing, the impact is significant. What was once an affordable tool is now much closer in price to premium options. For those on old, cheaper rates, the jump to the newer pricing structure might feel abrupt, and there's no easy way to keep those legacy rates. If you're reconsidering your Canva subscription, there are alternatives like Adobe Creative Cloud, Affinity's Creative Suite, or Figma, each offering its own set of tools and capabilities. And if you're thinking about switching, having an IT provider guide you through the transition can save you time and ensure you're getting the most out of your new platform. Switching platforms can be a headache, managing licenses, training staff, and ensuring you have the right tools for your needs. That's where an IT provider like Rocket IT can help you transition smoothly. For more information on Rocket IT's services, contact us using the link in this video's description. And to stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.